Claude Cowork just dropped, and it is a superpower, but only if you know how to use it correctly.
This AI replaces a virtual assistant, $20 a month.
It can even do things that weren't possible before, like automating boring tasks and learning skills, saving you hours. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock its full capabilities, using skills that I've not seen anybody else talking about, so that you can actually save more time and make more money with your business. And
Claude Cowork is a digital employee, runs tasks simultaneously, automates your browser, works while you sleep. This guy sold a startup with 60K customers, now runs an AI automation agency. You could sell this service for $500, $2,500 a month.
if you don't know who I am, my name is Jack Roberts. I built and sold my last tech startup with over 60,000 customers, and now I run a very profitable AI automation business. So if you haven't already, grab that coffee and let's dive straight in. Claude Cowork is Claude Code for work, basically. It can run multiple tasks at the exact same.
What it does on your computer will blow your mind.
Skill number one is file management. And so the best thing to show you initially is to show you how it works on your laptop, right? So for example, if you check out my desktop, it is a little bit on the busy side. So what we're going to do now is actually get Claude to organize some of this for us. And as you can see at the top, we've got chat, cowork, and code. So let's just say that I want to tidy up my desktop.
Claude accesses any folder and reorganizes everything. Sorted 50 images into a folder instantly. Even found a lost video file. Charge clients for file management setups using this one feature.
What I can do is click on work in a folder, and then what you do is select the folder like desktop right here, and then click down and click on open. Then once you've done that, it'll ask for confirmation. We just click on allow, that's fine. And then we can give it a prompt. And I might say, hey, Claude, could you do me a favor? Could you go to my desktop, grab me all of my images on the desktop and put them in a images folder, just like that, right? Come down here and say, let's go. And then what Claude will do then is just take these actions for you. It's also a little side hack, by the way.
Take this into your browser. That's where the real money starts.
For us. Let's say, for example, I wanted to know what the sentiment was on my last YouTube video. I could give it a prompt that sounds something like this. Hey, dude, I want you to go over to the Jack Roberts YouTube channel, check out the latest video, and just give me the TLDR of what the comments were on that video, please. Like that. Really simple.
Told Claude to check a YouTube channel and summarize all comments. No API, no coding, plain English. Came back with a full report. Package this as competitor research for business owners.
In plain English, I've done this. I'm going to say, let's go. So what Claude will do now is open up Chrome, check the channel out, bring that information back to me, and I wouldn't need to do anything. Now, we have like an API we could use to scrape this, but there are many circumstances in which you don't necessarily have that ability to come and API call something. And this is where it gets really crazy. And when Claude wants to go ahead and use your browser, it will give you a prompt like this. So you can say, do you want to allow for this website? You can
now connected to email, calendar, and meeting notes at once.
Crazy. Check this out. We're going to allow that to do that. And look at this, guys. Your last meeting was Glider Weekly, which took 56 minutes. But this is where it gets crazy. I'm going to say, awesome. I'm going to say, grab me my actions and create a new Notion doc with those in. Something like that, right?
Connected Claude to Fireflies and Notion. One sentence. Grab my actions, create a Notion doc, done. Sell this automation to agencies and consultants for recurring income.
So now we can actually leverage multiple MCPs at the exact same time. So not only is it now using information to grab my actions, it's then going to go ahead and actually update that in Notion, meaning you don't even need to touch either of those platforms.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory. It's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
It can all be done within Claude Cowork. Just like that, it says it's done it very, very quickly. Actually, this is very quick. So just open up this action, have a look. Let's click on this and see what it does. So just open a new Notion link. And just like that, guys, it's actually physically done this for us. It's got all my actions.
The game changer, teaching it to repeat tasks forever without you.
Next thing we want to do is understand any repetitive task that you do in your business and think about ways that Claude Cowork can actually enshrine these processes into something called a skill. And this skill, once we define it and make it incredible, is something that Claude Cowork can use whenever you're talking to it in the future. So what I recommend you do at this point is think of anything that you find yourself doing or your team finds itself doing on a regular basis.
Walk Claude through any process once, it saves the workflow. YouTube to newsletter, automated permanently. Build a skill library and sell it as an automation package.
And then turn that into a skill. So why don't we take an example of, let's take my YouTube channel, for instance, right? What if we took my transcript and then what we did is we turned that into a newsletter in whatever style we want to. So maybe that's something that I know a lot of people do. So why don't we give that?
Still trading time for money? The tools are doing the work now. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.